guys, got another day here doing an SQ competition out here at Brian's shop in Modesto, California. This is Blue. This is my current setup I'm doing. So I have the Hibby new R6, Zapco HDSP 5. I also have a Pioneer 8600 NEX. These are the Seos mid-range and tweeter, the Lotus tweeter, XL mid-range. Also have a XL 8-inch driver in the back. And then when we go to the back seat, we've got two Seos Leroy 10s ported, acrylic epoxy floor, seat cubby with the Zapco processor mounted to some copper in there, and then also have the True Technology amplifier visible behind that. On the other side, the door opens and we had access to the fuses. And that's pretty much my setup. Easy to use. Got 3 True Technology tungsten grandes in the back. If you guys got questions about the system, or if you're in Vegas and ever want to hear it, just hit me up. It's easy to do. Parked next to me is Paul. Paul's got a Lexus GS 400. Paul's got all kinds of things going on in this thing. Paul?
Yes, sir.
Why don't you tell the people what you got running on in here?
Mac Mini, Dyne Audio,
There's the Mac.
True Technology, and Brax in the backs.
So he's actually got a tablet connected to the Mac Mini, so he can control the Mac Mini from the tablet.
Correct.
And he's playing with the touchpad on his lap here right now. Brax processor. You can see that. Tweeters. He's got it mounted on
Ooh, that's
steel.
Ugly,
yeah. He's like, don't look at it from that angle. That's the ugly angle.
That's the ugly side.
And then if you go on the other side, he's got the woofer down, taking up your leg room.
That's a Scan 10. 2 Scan 13s in the back.
Got them 213s going. Yeah, this is Paul's car. But you got to run the Vossens. You got to run the Vossens. So, Charger, Hellcat SRT8, clean, sweet build, custom stitching on the inside. Something weird in the pods going on behind that. E-ride, back seat. Got 3 of the Arc Audio Signature Edition amplifiers. Little woofer, 24-inch. All of his fusing is labeled. PSA Pro. Got the True Technology Passat wagon, 15-inch in the back, 3 tungsten amplifiers, fusing and everything. The panel lifts up and then he's able to get to all the wiring and fusing right behind it. We're going to adapt with the Helix processor, Dynaven screen, Dyne Audio E430 110. You see how they line up when you close the door, so facing you sounds great. Mercedes. So a lot of these look like normal cars. You wouldn't expect them to have the SQ systems in them they have. Like his truck here, he uses all the factory locations. So when you look in, you really don't see anything. But he's got a really good scoring vehicle here. Tesla, I wish he was out. I have it opened up for you. This thing's got a hell of a build in it. Another Mercedes. VW. My man Ricky. These are the infamous pods that just got done in Vegas. Bradley Smith. I can't see it, his tint's too dark. Be riding dirty. Good old Ricky. F-150 full SQ system. Colorado. Got the pillars. Haven't heard this one yet. I've seen it. Looks like it has a big sub enclosure underneath it. Toyota Corolla. This is Joel's car. He has the huge. Try to get out of the sun here so you can actually see all the speakers that he has up in this thing. You like it loud and clean? This is what you do. It's not mounted though. I'm docking points on that one. And engine bay's dirty too. They actually docked me points on the engine bay being dirty last time. Kind of wasn't too happy about that. Looking good though. Last show I just knocked it out the park with 3 first places and best sounding vehicle. But come up north here a little bit. It's gonna be a little harder. I got some good competition. Arc Audio, it's the land of Arc Audio. So this is Hellcat, actually just Charger. He's actually running portable air into the car just to keep it cool. It's 95 out here today. Hell of a system in that thing. He was my nemesis last year, so it was kind of hard to beat him and do everything, but you know, I think I got it this time. Hey, can I get a listen?
Not there right now, but yes.
I don't care.
Yeah,
All right, let's check one out.
I'll probably should close